To the story now, the unemployment rate in South Africa continues to rise sharply, and persons with disabilities are bearing the brunt of the situation. Now, today, a group of disabled people and organizations marched from Newtown to Marshalltown to deliver a memorandum of demand to the office of the Gauteng Premier, Panyaza Lesufi. They are now calling for better employment opportunities and recognition for the disabled community, expressing their frustration with receiving learnerships rather than full-time job offers.
Bamashele ihhovisi likaNdunankulu esifundazwe saseGoli abahlali abakhubazekile abavela ezindaweni ezahlukene. Lokhu kuza ngemuva kokukhula kwezinga eliphezulu lokungasebenzi kwabo, nabathi-ke bafuna uhulumeni abazise nabo njengabavoti.
People with disabilities issues are being addressed. The people with disability, they are being marginalized by the society. One of our clauses in the government, it says 7% employment of people with disability in government sectors, but such has not been implemented. We have 1% of employment of people with disability. People with disability are being seen as learnership products, whereas we've got graduates. They need to create internship for graduate programs. And we are saying with learnership, it can't be learnership all the time.
Kusenjalo umunye obeyingxenye yale mashi uthi-ke bakhathele izinhlangano ezenza ngathi ziyabalwela kanti zidla imali ngegama labo.
We are tired of being misused. We are tired of seeing organizations claiming to look after us while they are eating those monies, claiming from DST, claiming under the BBBEE law that they are looking after us, whereas they are eating this for their own needs.
Le mashi esuke eNewtown yayofika eMarshalltown nokuyilapho kunikezwe khona uhlu lwezikhalazo kosebenza ehhovisi likaNdunankulu. Ezindabeni zeSoweto TV, ngikuNokulunga Mthembu, ngiseJohannesburg.